adhering to basic Islamic social etiquettes, such as number one, not using foul language, no garam gari. There's no foul language in that message. Number two, no indecent images and clips. Sorry to say, there were some complaints that there are some people actually in group, they share some indecent clips and pictures. What Holy Quran says, if you see, you can't see. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, those who publicize these indecent messages, Allah says, Inna alladhina yuhibbuna, certainly those who love an tashi' al-fahisha, that the immorality should be spread or publicized. Fil ladhina amanu, among the believers. So the believers should see this immorality. Allah says, lahum adhabun alim, for them there is a painful punishment, painful torment, fid dunya, in this world, wa fil akhirah, and in the hereafter as well. So before sending any message in a group or someone, I should check there should not be any indecent image or a clip. Not mocking others, not lying or backbiting. Backbiting, inshallah, we'll cover later, or if a question comes, I'll go in detail, inshallah. That's what brother has discussed. Last and the most important thing, that is your post acceptable within the sharia? For example, you are sharing a clip of a lady without hijab. Or it is against our beliefs. It is against our beliefs. Someone has posted, for example, a shubha, a doubt among our community. So what I'm doing, I'm propagating that shubha among the community members. So he has done a chafu thing, so I'm the one who's propagating the chafu thing. Or, Maulana, I don't know that this message is against Islamic Sharia or against Islamic beliefs or not. I don't know about this. What should I do? The Holy Quran says, La taqfu ma laysa laka bihi ilm. Don't pursue, don't say that thing which you don't have knowledge about that thing. If you don't know, don't say. Inna sam'a wal basara wal fu'ada kullu ulaika kana anhu masula. On the day of judgment, eyesight, hearing, heart means intellect, all these things will be questionable on the day of judgment. On the day